Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KNOS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where that red line annotation here is coming from, which, as a quick recap, was just denoting the selling pressure that showed up and the resistance trend line here. But you can see today the price not only got the gap up above the trend line, but the price did a fantastic job of just staying up above it. What do I mean by that? Well, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap up over resistance levels, and all of a sudden just bleed the rest of the day. But that wasn't the case here. Now, did the price continue to explode upwards? No, it just eventually went sideways. But that's much better than, like I said, having the price just return right back to where it was. But the point here being that trend line has now been destroyed. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. It served its purpose. And I'll also get rid of this line down here. That's also served its purpose for now. But I do want to add in, the newest area of support and what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could say up here above 19.5 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 19.5, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a massive sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as the week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 19.5 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, next key level to watch moving into Tuesday, going to be right up here at, let's just call it 24 cents. So 24 cents, public enemy number one moving forward. But all in all, any way you look at it, great movement today. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.